Alrighty, so we are here over at one of our customers here in Little Italy, right by downtown. Their unit is down, and it's down unfortunately due to some lack of maintenance, right? So parts have overheated, they failed, and that's just because it hasn't been taken care of over the years. So this is why it's so important that maintenance is done, whether you're at a home or for your business, whether it's commercial or restaurant, who knows what. Want to make sure it's taken care of, okay? So let's get to it. Alrighty, so I'm here just checking power, right? So I'm gonna turn the disconnect off right now so it's safe to work with, and I'm gonna check it one more time, and then we're gonna start swapping parts out, all right? Power's dead. We're gonna start swapping out some of these electrical parts. So we're swapping out this electrical right now. This is a contactor. All I'm doing is putting the old wires to the new contactor. So everything is wired up correctly, just one at a time. That's how I like to do it, so nothing gets lost. And you won't have issues after. Then we'll turn this guy on, and they'll be good to go. So right now I know it's not on down below, but I'm just gonna push in the contacts and make sure everything's working like it should be, right? And they are, so I'm pretty happy. So I'm gonna go down below, turn it on. There's usually a delay, and that's it. We are out of here. So make sure you get your maintenance done so that you can prevent this, and you'll be good to go for summer.